Top Safety Pick. This Buick Verano boasts a gas I4 2.4 liters/145 engine powering this automatic transmission. Transmission, 6-speed automatic, STD, cruise control, wheels, 17x7 multi-spoke alloy with silver finish, STD. This Buick Verano comes equipped with these options: Summit White, seating, Sport Front Bucket, STD, IntelliLink, 7-color touchscreen, AM/FM stereo, single CD with MP3 playback incorporated, Sequence scan, digital clock, aux audio input jack, auto tone, radio data system, speed controlled volume, theft lock, USB port, Stitcher smartphone compatibility, Grace Note, music voice controls, STD, engine, 2.4 liters OHC CD4 VVT, STD, engine block heater, 1 SD preferred equipment group incorporated, standard equipment, wheels, 17x7 multi-spoke alloy with silver finish, variable intermittent windshield wipers and washers, tires, P225/50R17 all-season Blackwall, tire pressure monitoring system. The votes are counted as Top Safety Pick, KBB.com 5-year cost to own awards, KBB.com 10 best new sedans under $25,000, KBB.com brand image awards. See what the experts say. As reported by KBB.com, if you're a young professional looking for a new car to reward your success without substantially increasing your debt, the 2013 Buick Verano could do it. Visit us today. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit and a great vehicle.